Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 15 on complex functions. In this lecture we are going to discuss one question which is asked in GTU Winter 2019 examination. So here we are asked to find out real and imaginary parts of the complex function f of z equal to 3i divided by 2 plus 3i. So here given function is constant. Here there is no z term, so f of z has value 3i over 2 plus 3i for every point z. So as we know, if we want to find out real and imaginary parts of any complex function, we have to write our function in this form: uxy plus I times vxy. So this right hand side is not in this form, u plus iv. So first I have to express this right hand side in this form, and then I will be able to decide real and imaginary parts of given complex function. So for that we concentrate on the denominator. Here denominator is 2 plus 3i. So we multiply this numerator and denominator by conjugate of 2 plus 3i. So f of z is 3i divided by 2 plus 3i, and we multiply and numerator and denominator. So this is 3i over 2 plus 3i, and we multiply 3i by 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i. We have to take conjugate of 2 plus 3i, which is 2 minus 3i divided by 2 minus 3i. So now we simplify this. This is 3i into 2 minus 3i. We can write one more step, and here we can use the formula of a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. If we compare with a plus b, we have a equal to 2 and b equal to 3i. So it is square of 2 minus square of 3i. Now this is equal to, now we multiply 3i with 2 minus 3i. So we have 3i into 2, which is 6i, minus 3i into 3i, that is 9 times I square. And in the division we have 4 minus 9 times I square. Square of 3i means square of 3 into square of I. Now we know that I square is minus 1, so we replace I square by minus 1, and here we have 4 minus 9 into minus 1, and we have used the fact that I square is negative 1. So this we can rewrite, we can have negative and negative positive. So 6i plus 9 divided by 4 plus 9, that is 5. So finally we obtain 9 plus 6i divided by 9 plus 4, that is 13. So this we can rewrite as 9 by 13 plus 6 by 13 times I, and this is our given function f of z. So we can see, therefore a real part of f of z is 9 by 13, and imaginary part of f of z is 6 by 13. Imaginary part of complex function means coefficient of I, and real part means that portion which is not multiplied with I. So this is these are the real and imaginary parts of given complex function. It is very easy to decide. We just have to concentrate on the denominator, and we multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of 2 plus 3i, which is 2 minus 3i, and then using the algebra of complex numbers we are able to express our function in this form, u plus iv. So in this way we can decide real and imaginary parts of any complex function. Okay, so this is very easy question. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.